Hello everyone, my name is Zhonghui, and today I will present my paper on addressing depression and anxiety among young adults in the 21st century. I chose this topic because I have witnessed struggles of those around me with mental health issues, and I have faced similar challenges myself. My research aims to better understanding the experience of young people worldwide and to identify the causes and the potential solutions for it. My paper is structured into 5 sections: the abstract, introduction, the causes and the solutions for these issues, and conclusions. It begins by highlighting the unprecedented rise in mental health issues, particularly depression and anxiety. The situation worsened during and after the COVID-19 pandemic. Research indicates that 3 major causes for the alarming trend: social media usage and addiction, academic and economic stress, and inadequate access to mental health care. Identifying these causes allows us to find effective solutions, emphasizing the need for collaborative efforts from governments, communities, schools, and parents, as young people represent our future. To start, the rates of depression and anxiety among young adults aged 18 to 25 in the United States, for instance, have increased by 63% and 83% respectively. The isolation and uncertainty during the pandemic have worsened these issues, particularly for young people who often lack life experience. There are 3 major causes and challenges. One significant factor is social media usage and addiction. Studies show that there is a positive correlation between time spent on social media each day and the degree of depression and anxiety. The social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook encourage comparison that can lead to feeling of inadequacy. The pressure to maintain a perfect online persona, combined with exposure to idealized image, foster unrealistic expectations and distorts self-perception. Moreover, the prevalence of cyberbullying highlights the darker side of the digital interaction. Another critical cause is academic and economic stress. The academic pressures and economic uncertainties facing today's youth significantly impact their mental health. Competition for top grades and admission to high-ranking colleges is intense, and expectation from parents and society only amplify this stress. Additionally, the rising costs of higher education leave many graduates with substantial debt, while an unstable job market adds to their anxiety. These factors contribute to an overwhelming sense of pressure among young adults. In addition to these issues, inadequate access to mental health care poses a significant barrier. Over 112 million Americans live in underserved areas, and conditions in developing countries can be even worse. Financial strains make mental health treatment unaffordable for many young people, especially those already facing economic pressures. Societal misconceptions about mental health further deter individuals from seeking help. Even those who overcome the stigma may find that the healthcare system lacking, facing long waiting times, inadequate insurance coverage, and a shortage of youth-specific services. Having highlighted the main causes of rising depression and anxiety rates, we can now explore actionable solutions. Firstly, government action is crucial. While recent legislation, such as the Act of 2030 and 21st Century Skills Act in the United States, has aimed to improve mental health services, more needs to be done. Governments should increase funding for mental health programs, integrate mental health education into school curriculum, and work to reduce societal misconceptions about mental health issues. Building on this, community and school initiatives play a vital role. Schools and communities should enhance counseling services, peer support networks, and mental health education. Creating a safe environment for expression and supportive relationships empowers young people to develop healthy coping mechanisms. Additionally, integrating Integrating creative therapies such as art and music into programs can provide alternative avenues for emotion expression and healing. Furthermore, implementing robust early intervention and prevention programs is essential. Systematic screening and target intervention in educational and community settings can help identify and support at-risk individuals earlier. Timely interventions not only prevent symptoms from escalating but also mitigate their long-term effects on mental health. Ensuring accessible and affordable mental health services is fundamental as well. Increasing funding and expanding insurance coverage for mental health care can alleviate financial burdens. Additionally, leveraging advanced technologies such as AI-driven support tools can provide affordable, accessible mental health resources to a wider audience. Be more specific, WooBot is an AI bot that provides 24/7 support and offers cognitive behavioral therapy, which is also known for CBT, one of the most effective treatments for anxiety and depression. While the professional in-person CBT sessions can cost thousands of dollars, WooBot offers a subscription for only about $10 a month. These tools allow a broader audience to access mental support, breaking down not only the financial barriers but also the geographical limitations that often prevent people from seeking help. Finally, at the bottom of all solutions, empowering young people with resilience building and coping skills is the ultimate goal. These skills include stress management techniques, emotional regulation strategies, and problem-solving abilities. They are critical to fostering an adaptive response to challenges and setbacks. By integrating these skills into education curriculum and extracurricular activities, schools and community organizations create environments where individuals can develop and strengthen their mental resilience. With greater mental resilience, young people are not only able to overcome the current depression and anxiety they encounter, but are also more resilient to future challenges. Parents and peers are two of the most influential figures in young people's resilience, and they are the people who young people spend most of their time. Parents and guardians play a crucial role in supporting young people's mental health. By fostering open communication, providing emotional support, and modeling healthy behaviors, parents can help their children face challenges. Educating parents about the size of mental health issues and how to seek help is also important. Parenting programs that focus on building strong parent-child relationships and improving parenting skills can be effective in preventing and addressing mental health issues. These programs provide parents with strategies for managing stress, promoting positive behaviors, and creating a supportive home environment. Lastly, peer relationships significantly influence mental health. Positive peers connection can reduce feeling of isolation and promote a sense of belonging. Peer-led intervention, such as counseling and support groups, can improve the influence to one's mental health well-being. In conclusion, addressing depression and anxiety among young adults requires a collective effort from society as a whole. By working together, governments, communities, schools, parents, and young people, we can create meaningful change. In the journey to nurture the mental well-being of our youth, we are not merely striving for change. We are shaping a future where every young person can flourish. By addressing the root causes of depression and anxiety through comprehensive strategies, promoting healthier digital habits, transforming education, and expanding mental health access, we forge a path to resilience and empowerment. As the old saying, hope is being able to see that there is light despite all the darkness. Together, we can illuminate the path forward with compassion, determination, and a steadfast commitment to the mental health of our youth. Thanks for your patient listening, and hopefully you can be part of the effort to help young people go through this difficult time.